Nvidia is now a $2 trillion company, so it would make sense for the software to start looking like that now. And while plenty of jokes have already been made about how outdated stuff like the Nvidia control panel are, it looks like they're finally doing something about it, because we just got the brand new Nvidia app, which marries all the best elements of the control panel and GeForce experience into one single application. And while it is in beta right now, you can already get it from the Nvidia website. It is fairly easy to install, and from then on it takes on most of the duties of those other pieces of software. And while it's still kind of annoying that it asks you to sign in when there's really no reason to have an account on a driver update tool essentially, you do however get a bonus when you do sign in, an XP booster for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So you know, we're eating well tonight, boys. And from then on, it's pretty much the same Nvidia experience you've come to expect. You can manage games both on a game-by-game basis or with global settings as well, which once again combines the tools that are previously spread out between GeForce experience and the Nvidia control panel. You also get to use the brand new RTX HDR feature, which now not only adds HDR to online videos, which we already covered on the channel before, link that will be up in the iCards. What are you still doing here? Check out that video. But the tool now also adds HDR to SDR games, similar to Microsoft's own Auto HDR. Plus, this new app is also how you manage recording and other Shadowplay related features, which of course also means a brand new in-game overlay, which, I mean, I'm kind of torn on. Like, I honestly can't decide if I preferred more or less than the previous old Z menu, but it does the job fine, and it does pretty much everything you could ask it to do. Now, the app is far from finished, and there's still plenty of features that you can only get from the control panel, which is why they still include a link to it within this brand new Nvidia app. But it is getting there, and it is nice to see that Team Green are trying to do literally anything about the software. Though, given the competition from AMD and Intel, I guess they're still ahead in that area, which is just kind of depressing to think about. But have you tried this app yourself? Let me know down in the comments below. And whilst you're here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vronyak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Volko, not a pseudonym, Mexum, Nishin Allcroft Lensby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.